All right, so we got a new package in from Tools today. Let's see what's inside. All right, so we got the new Prestige Electro Blue saw blade for the table saw. This one's going in the saw stop, 10-inch, 40 tooth. General purpose. This thing is gonna be a great upgrade. And then we've got the A.G.E carbide tipped 12-inch 100 tooth blade for the miter saw. So we're gonna install that one right now, and we're gonna be cutting up some maple. Let's see how it does. As you can see right now, I have a Freud blade in there. I've had that in there for quite a while, and it's starting to burn and stuff like that. So it's definitely time to at least be cleaned. So we'll do that, but for now, let's get this bad boy in. All right, as you can see, I have the 12-inch gliding Bosch miter saw. I love this thing. If you guys are in the market for a new miter saw, I can't recommend this one enough. It is awesome. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about the blade. So as of right now, I have a Freud blade on here. We're gonna change this one out because it's about due. And we're gonna try out the new A.G.E blade that Tools today sent me. So first things that we wanna make sure of, always make sure that power's disconnected. I know it is. We're good to go. So won't cut my hand off, which is always important. As you can see, this one needs to be cleaned up. It's been a while. Teeth are still sharp though, but let's try it with the new blade and see how she runs. All right, we're gonna be trying out this Amana blade. It's an Amana Tools blade under the A.G.E series. It's made in Germany, carbide tipped, and yeah, should be pretty sweet. So let's get it out of the package and onto the saw. As you can see, 100 teeth, and it is made for miter saws. All right, now that it's on there, let's try it out. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna try a few different cuts and different materials. So we're gonna use pine, we're gonna use some maple, and then we're gonna see how it can do with one of the hardest woods to cut through that I know of, that I have on hand, some hickory. So let's see how it does. All right, so we've made our cuts. This is the pine. Look at how smooth that cut is. Got a little bit of tear out right there, but you blow on that and it'll go away. The maple, same, nice clean cut, little blowout there. The one that really surprised me is the hickory, because this stuff is hard. And usually I have a lot more tear out than that. So I have to say I'm impressed. So the A.G.E series carbide tip saw blade from Amana Tools passes the grade. What a great blade, does a super clean cut, cuts through like butter. And yeah, you need to check that out if you're in the market for a new blade. Love it.